Hello, everyone, and thank you for coming to being a tutor today. Amanda and I are in the lovely Hyper Harbour at Amanda's farm. Here are some top tips for today. So when you go to the Google Classroom, first make sure you go to the Classwork tab. What I would like you to do is open up the schedule for day one, as this tells us what we're going to do today. After the welcome, we're going to go to the first round of flashcards. This is something that you won't have used for teaching before, I expect, so I'm going to give you some top tips. So the first one is when you go to them, you will be in a breakout room. So a breakout room is where you will be with a small number of students. When you enter the breakout room, open the flashcards and then look down at the bottom of your Zoom. You will see this. I'm just going to show you a photo I took earlier. You will see this. This is the bar at the bottom. You need to do two things. The first is open chat, and the second thing is open share. Okay, when you open share, you will get a photo that looks like this, and you will click on the screen that you are using with the students. So the screen that the PowerPoint is opened up on, this one here. And then hopefully you will get a view that looks like this that can be shared with the students. Now I will have gone through the first few slides and we're going to go here. So Amanda is going to be a student and I am going to be a tutor. I've opened up chat. The students are going to type their answers into chat. You're going to tell them to wait for 10 seconds and then post them. The reason we do this is so that all the students actually have to do some real thinking themselves and don't follow along, and it's easier for you to sort out their misconceptions. So let's start. Hello, students. We're going to follow the demonstration that Diane just did and do case one. I've already demonstrated case one. So firstly, what is the site? Remember, type it in and then don't press the @chat arrow until I say go. Type it in.
Okay, I'm being the student. I've just typed it in and I'm resisting the urge to press enter because I'm waiting for instructions from my tutor.
Go. Okay. And Amanda's just typed it in, and on my chat, which you can't see on the screen, maybe, she's written skin, and I give positive feedback. Excellent. Most of you have worked out that it's skin. Great. Now, where is the abnormality? Let's wait 10 seconds. Amanda's typing and waiting. Go. Oh, the dermis. Okay, so Amanda, I just want to, I've seen most of you have written the dermis, and there are abnormalities in the dermis. So I'm going to use my mouse here to point out the epidermis and the dermis. And the abnormality is actually here in the epidermis, where we have these abnormal cells. Let's go on to the next question. What type of cells are these abnormal cells? Remember, wait 10 and I'm actually finding waiting 5 is working well. Go. But then Amanda does know the answers. The epithelial cells, well done. They are squamous epithelial cells, also known as keratinocytes. Now,
can you show me with your point to where they are exactly?
Sure. Here they
That's
are.
very helpful.
They're just here and they go down into the follicle here. Right. Next question. Are they atypical? Just say yes or no. And 5 seconds. Yes. All right, go. Yes, that they are. Well done. So they are atypical. So now we can make a diagnosis because we know that we have got atypical epithelial cells confined to the epidermis. So what is the diagnosis? Everybody tell me the diagnosis, please. Oh, Amanda, you've just typed slightly early. I forgot to say pause. Okay. So everyone else can now post. Thank you. And yes, the correct answer is actinic keratosis. Let's look at some of the other abnormalities that are below in the epidermis. Sorry, I made a mistake there, in the dermis. So the first thing is um, we have these little blue cells pointed out by this blue arrow. Now in the chat, pause it until I say go. Please tell me what these cells are. Go. Oh, melanocytes, Amanda has written. Sorry, we're having a little chuckle here. Amanda knows these aren't melanocytes, I'm very sure. So some of you are confused about what these are. These are in fact lymphocytes. They're very small, dark cells, and they are in the dermis, and they are a typical reaction to actinic keratosis, BCCs, squamous cells, anything that's abnormal and generating abnormal antigens will attract lymphocytes. So Amanda has just posted there. Thank you for explaining. That was great. Now, this blue hollow arrow here is pointing to something different. So 5 seconds, I'll say go, then you can tell me what it is. Go. All right, Amanda's written solar elastosis in my chat, and that's right. This is damaged collagen. So we've identified the features in this slide. If you need to revise on your own, we have some notes down below. Let's go to case 2.
I would say,
Okay,
my feedback would be you have to leave slightly longer when the answer is longer, like solar elastosis is quite long to type.
okay. So so you might need to bring it out to 10 seconds. All right, so
Or
Amanda,
you
have you
can
got any
ask the
top tips for
students
our
to like put
tutors?
up their hand or something in the window when they've done the typing, and you can look at all of the little faces and, press go.
That's true. They might know how to do that.
Well,
Yeah.
just physical hand, because we
Oh,
want them
physical
all to
hand.
have
Oh, of
cameras
course, you can
on.
see them. That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have so that they can say when they're ready and we can
Mm.
do go. Yeah,
Move it
very good.
quickly.
Yeah, that's great. Is there any other top tips you think we have, Amanda?
I can see the answers are available, that I can see them as the student. Is that a problem?
No, that's okay. They will still have to work through the process. It's the process that's important, and then they can use them to revise later. My
Cool.
other top tip is that we'll be available from 12:30 if you want to join us early. Thank you so much. We
Good to
really
do technical
appreciate
check,
it.
make sure everything works.
Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop recording now and see you soon.